The Inter-Party Advisory Council (IPAC) has called on all stakeholders to ensure that the Osun State Governorship Election, scheduled for Saturday, August 15, 2026, is free, fair, transparent, credible, and peaceful. The chairman of IPAC, Dr. Yusuf Dantalle, made the call at a press conference in Abuja following the Council's General Assembly meeting on the political situation in the Southwest state. Dantalle said the election must reflect the freely expressed will of the people of Osun State, without intimidation, harassment, inducement, violence, or undue interference.
The people of Osun must be allowed to exercise their constitutional right to choose their governor without intimidation, harassment, inducement, violence, manipulation, or undue interference. IPAC therefore urges every political actor to place the peace, stability, and democratic future of Osun above partisan and personal interest.
IPAC urged political parties, candidates, campaign organizations, and their supporters to abide by the rule while respecting the rights of opponents and rejecting violence, hate speech, threats, and provocation. The Council appealed to political actors to de-escalate the rising tension in the state and conduct their campaigns through persuasion, tolerance, and democratic engagement rather than confrontation.
IPAC is deeply concerned about the heightened political tension surrounding the elections. We therefore make a strong and urgent appeal to all political parties, candidates, political leaders, government officials, supporters, and other stakeholders to immediately de-escalate political tension in Osun State. We particularly appeal to political leaders to exercise restraint and demonstrate statesmanship. The people of Osun State should not be made to bear the consequences of political disagreement among political actors.
The Council also criticized the Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) over the freezing of Osun State government accounts, describing the action as politically motivated.
Condemns the action of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) in freezing the accounts of the Osun State government, describing the action as politically motivated and capable of undermining the effective administration of the state.
The Council further urged the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to conduct a free and fair election, even as it appealed to the people of the state to remain peaceful and vigilant, protect their permanent voters' cards, and exercise their right to vote according to their conscience. CNN News.